In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use interactive fillable documents created on DocHub. We'll walk through opening a fillable PDF, completing the interactive fields, and saving or downloading your work in the right format, so you can share it confidently. Start by heading to DocHub.com. Upload the fillable PDF you received, or open the one you created earlier. You can drag and drop the file, or use the upload button, whichever you prefer. Once it's open, make sure you're looking at a form that actually contains interactive fields. These can include standard text boxes, checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down menus, date pickers, and signature fields. If you can click into an area and a cursor appears, or you see a box highlight when you hover, that's a good sign you're working with a fillable form and not a static scan. Zoom in if you need a closer look, and scroll through the pages to get a sense of what's required. Now begin filling in the form fields. For text fields, click inside the box and type your response just like you would in any document. Press Tab to jump to the next field and Shift plus Tab to move back, which keeps you moving quickly. For checkboxes, click once to check or uncheck as needed. Radio buttons are similar, but remember they're used when only one option is allowed. Clicking a new choice will switch your selection. If you encounter a drop-down, click the arrow and choose the option that fits. Date fields may let you type a date or pick from a small calendar interface, so use whichever is faster for you. When you reach a signature field, click to place your signature using the on-screen tools. If a signature is already stored in your account, you can apply it in one step. If you make a mistake, simply edit the text, switch your choice, or use undo. When you're ready to save, open the File menu and choose Save or Save As to name a copy. If you're logged in, DocHub automatically saves your changes as you work, which provides a helpful safety net. To take a copy with you, go to File, then Download, and choose PDF. Pick a fillable PDF if you want the recipient to keep editing the same fields. Choose a flattened PDF if you want to lock in the information and prevent further changes to the fields. That's all you need to confidently use interactive fillable documents in DocHub.